OFM Sport.
And it will also be great for you to have Derek back. He hasn't played this season. A player that's got a lot of dog and fight in him, and typical that kind of abrasive player you'd want against a team like Boland, especially in the latter stages of the game.
Yes, definitely. Derek's worked incredibly hard since he injured his knee. He's worked very hard to be back for this week. And he brings a lot of experience. He played 80 minutes with Albert in that Currie Cup final last year. He's very good in the lineouts. It gives us just another option there in the second half, with an experienced player coming off the bench. With a guy like Janko Ace, and Pumzile, we've said this whole since the last 2-3 years that we've built a squad that when we make changes during the game that we don't weaken our team, and sometimes we even strengthen our team when we make changes. So it's good to have him back. Obviously, we only have one injury currently with Bobby Alexander. He's probably out for a week. So touch wood, done well on that front as well with the medical team that we only got one injury, no serious injuries. And hopefully we can keep going and keep our best players on the field, and obviously makes team selection difficult. A guy like Marco de Wit's not in the 23 this week, but yeah, that's just how it is, and that shows the strength of our squad currently.
And just lastly, Boland will no doubt be under some pressure after they stumbled against, the Eagles in the previous game. But how important is it for you as a coach to have your players under a bit of pressure as well? Because ultimately, you don't want a team going into any match with a bit of arrogance or a cockiness. So pressure is also good in a way.
Yeah, we actually spoke about that this morning. Morgan, there's a lot of pressure on Boland. They after their loss against SWD, they will probably feel that they have to win this match, and we understand that if we lose, we haven't played. We still have to play teams 2, 3, 4, and 5 currently on the log. So we understand that if we lose, then there's a lot of pressure on us. If they lose, there's a lot of pressure on them. So, I mean, we've done the big games well over the last year or two. Whenever there's big pressure matches on us, the guys have really responded and they've done well. But yeah, we certainly understand the importance of this match. And yeah, it's probably, Boland after the previous game, they obviously want to turn things around, and we understand I think it's only against us in the SA Cup 2024 and against the Pumas in the SA Cup 2024, the last two matches Boland lost at home. So they were unbeaten in the Currie Cup at home last year, unbeaten in the SA Cup at home last year. So they do have a very good record there, but much different than they do have away from home. So that's important. That's why it's important for us to pitch up mentally, in the right space of mind. If in the right frame of mind, if we think it's going to be easy, then we're going to have a long day, and we've got to make sure we are 100% prepared for this match.
And just lastly, having a look at your hooker, Tiaan, the game that you guys can expect this weekend, and Tiaan, he's almost like the perfect kind of player hooker that you'd want to have in a game like this, where he's very similar to your typical Boland hookers that we've seen over decades that come out of that part of the world.
Yeah, I think you're right there, Morgan. He's a toughie. He just doesn't stop. He can keep on going, keep on going. Last week, or 2 weeks ago, we subbed him off. Then Janko came on. Then Janko got injured, and Tiaan had to go back on for the last 15 minutes, and he played really well. I think you summed it up right there. He's very aggressive. He doesn't give up. He's tough. He's a good tackler. He's a good carrier of the ball. He manages the ball well. He's just happy to start. He played off the bench almost the whole season last year behind Janko. Now he's used these opportunities in the starting team, and good to have a guy like Janko coming off the bench again. So, yeah, no, hopefully he can continue how he started the season, because he's really played well, and hopefully can continue with that on Saturday.